The COVID-19 pandemic had an impact across all subsectors, socio-economic as well as matters finances. Underwriters were not spared either. In 2022, what is this sector doing to ensure that it is also on the bandwagon in as far as matters of recovery are concerned? You're watching KBC Channel 1 and I'm Regina Manyara. To take us through this conversation is none other than the MD, CIC Life Assurance, Meshak Miyogo. Thank you, sir, for your time.
From a perspective of life insurance, of course, COVID was the main driver of our turbulent times last year. We hope that things will move on well. We're also looking at coming up with new ways of doing business in terms of digitization, accruing some of the concepts of working from home. Yeah, so it's been turbulent, but we are solid. Last year, CIC Life Insurance paid 3 billion worth of claims in terms of life insurance to the cooperatives and other clients.
It is the year 2022 and we're still riding the COVID-19 pandemic. What lessons did you learn?
We've reviewed our pricing, just to really match the risks. Also, this has come with a lot of pressure from customers. But for us to stay afloat, then definitely we can no longer do undercutting. We have to price risk properly so that we are able to pay claims.
Insurance penetration has somewhat plateaued. Why do you think this is so?
Most clients, even I interact with, you'll see them say they had a bad experience with an insurance company. But when you dig deeper, they don't even have an insurance policy. By just listening to third parties, they end up assuming they'll also experience the same. So that perception also has really affected the penetration of insurance. But
what is a leading product when it comes to life insurance?
If I look at our own portfolio, our education policies are the leading in terms of customer awareness, in terms of customer interest. So that's one of the main products that is really pushing. At the same time, we have investment products that are also coming up very well. But dominantly, our education covers, and I think most underwriters.
What are the risks that you're looking at, given that this is an election year, as well as information from the Ministry of Health indicates that Kenya could be very well riding into its 6th wave of COVID-19?
Well, it's a major risk that we definitely have to really look at, even from a life insurance perspective. We encourage our customers, of course, to go out for the vaccinations that are being offered. That's a mitigating factor that and as CIC Life would encourage, including giving opportunities for our customers, corporates and individuals, really working in partnership with Ministry of Health to see how these programs can be escalated further. That's one of the risk mitigating factors we are doing. But at the same time, internally, we really engaging our customers just to make sure that also we price properly in terms of the risks that we are undertaking.
What are your expectations in 2022 in regard to investment and also around the insurance value chain?
We are really working hard in terms of creating visibility, awareness. We are working closely with our counterpart. Our regulator, IRA, has been very strong in terms of creating that awareness. Our apex body, AKI, Association of Kenya Insurance, also is really trying to create consumer education, doing a lot of research to see what solutions can we offer that are also going to increase insurance penetration.
Thank you, sir, for your time. Well, there you have it. We have been speaking to none other than the Managing Director, CIC Life Assurance, Meshak Miyogo. I'm Regina Manyara, and you've been watching KBC Channel 1.